What up? It's Reggie Cajun Blaze Nation coming at you with another repair video. We got a 2012 GMC Acadia today. Doing the no, what is this? Yeah, it's a GMC Acadia. Doing an AC compressor, and actually already got it out. You just kind of go through these little quick steps. So you got 4 bolts, right? These are all 13 millimeters. You got 2 13 millimeters right here holding the air lines, and you got a plug, and you got your belt. All right, so let's start at the top. You got 10 millimeter bolts right here. There's 3 of them. You're gonna take these off so you can loosen up your line. And also there's 2 right there. So 2 right there for that, 1 for that line. Pull that out. There's gonna be a little hose you pull off right there. Okay. Now down here there's a bolt that goes right there. That's a 10 millimeter bolt that goes right there. That's for this right here, so you can get this line out. This is also your charging port, which is going to go down there. This is where you charge it. I don't know if you can see down there, but all right. There is right there where my flashlight is looking. So right there is 2 13s, that's your lines. And then if you look over here, there's an electrical connector right there going into your line. And then you got 2 13 millimeter bolts on top of the compressor on the top. So that one right there, you can see that bolt right there for the compressor easy. The other one on this side, you just gonna have to feel for it. This right here is your line also. This right here that I'm touching, that's your AC line, which is actually I got plugged in over here. Also, don't forget to change out your little washers, which are these guys. All right, and I'm gonna show you on the bottom what we got to do. Okay, so we are underneath the vehicle. We got 2 little push tabs or whatever to get those out. That's a half-inch drive right there. That is your tensioner. Turn that and pull that off. So compressor is gonna come out right here. It'll come out right here real easy once you get that little flap up. So there's only 2 13s on the bottom. There's one right there, another right there. Now that one right here is actually sitting on a stud, so you're gonna have to slide the compressor forward once you take that off. Now to get those off, I'd recommend using like a flex head, ratchet and tight wrench like that. And once you're putting your compressor back in, I got that line in now. There's your charging port down there, right there. So I'd go ahead and put your little charging port on, put your little AC gauge on there, and then crank up the vehicle because it'll get hot. And if you ain't careful, you'll burn your hand on that exhaust down there. Okay. So 2012 GMC Acadia AC compressor replacement. Thanks for watching the video.